Hello and welcome back to Prince Edward Island. We're here at the Biddeford River Cottages, right on the river's edge, right at the mouth of Malpeque Bay. And of course, as you can see right behind me, this would be your glorious view from your deck every day that you were vacationing at this cottage. This cottage includes 2 bedrooms, it's wide, it's spacious, the interior is all brand new, same with the appliances. It's its first season, it comes with any possible thing you could imagine to want to have a really nice family or maybe even 2 couples sort of vacation. As you can see, like I said, the water's right behind us. You just simply walk down and there you have it. That might be for fishing, boating, or getting down with the kids. The home comes with play sand tools and toys and buckets, pretty much anything you could require. And as well, we're very close to a couple of nice small communities. And so ultimately, we've got the Tyne Valley, we've got Ellerslie, we've got restaurants and dairy bars in both towns. And as well, very close to Lennox Island, historical sites, but also native crafts and many other sorts of services that generally surround the area. So if you're looking for a quiet, peaceful, relaxing holiday where you've got a lot of space, a lot of quiet, a lot of solitude, yet you want to take a short drive, 10, maybe 15, 20 minutes, you could be in Summerside, you can be at the Jubilee Theatre, another little drive and you can be at the Cavendish Beaches. So pretty much anything you'd like is available right here at this cottage. We're hoping to see you all soon at Prince Edward Island. Thanks for coming and watching.